Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to choose match engine in Football Manager Mobile 2024. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can create your own tactic and how you can manage a club. Let's get started. So, if you want to choose your match engine, you have to play new game by tap the settings first and then tap view and then tap starting configuration. So the first option is match engine version. You can tap this. So if you wanna go with the original, you can tap this original. The game will be simple and easy, but if you want some advanced gameplay, you can go with enhanced. So please give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.